Shannon from Home Alchemy Living, and today I'm going to show you how to change a Maytag gas dryer thermal fuse. You're going to need about 4 tools, one being the thermal fuse, a socket wrench, pliers, and a Phillips Flathead screwdriver. The very first step always is to unplug your dryer before you begin and watch your gas line if you do have a gas dryer. You're then going to remove the foil duct with a screwdriver. Once that's completely detached, you can go ahead and get ready to remove the bolts on the back panel, which will expose the fuse and the thermostat. For this step, you're going to need to find a socket that will fit the wrench, and then you're going to attach it. For this Maytag dryer in particular, I needed a 1/4-inch socket. After that, you're going to remove the back panel completely, and there you can begin to switch out the fuse. You'll have to use the pliers to remove the wires from the fuse prongs, and then you're going to remove the bolt on the old fuse. You can attach the new fuse, then slide the wires back onto the prongs. Once your new fuse is in place and secure, you can go ahead and add the back panel. And the last step being you will secure the foil duct. And I will link in the description box below the exact thermal fuse that you will need for this type of Maytag dryer. Thanks for watching.